The Braille Bytes logo appears. Two Braille letter B's sit alongside the text. Bytes are taken from two of the dots. Braille Bytes, Season 1 Introduction.
Welcome to Braille Bytes.
Adam stands in a kitchen, wearing an apron with the Braille Bytes logo on it. A muffin tin with 6 tennis balls and bowls of colorful pom-poms sit on the countertop.
Thank you for joining us. This series of bite-sized activity ideas in recipe format is meant to promote early Braille literacy skills for young children with visual impairments. Braille Bytes is presented by the Provincial Resource Centre for the Visually Impaired and Braille Literacy Canada. Each activity features easy-to-find ingredients and is intended for anyone supporting the early development of blind and low vision learners. Be sure to keep in touch and let us know what you think in the comment section below. We'll be adding more recipes, so check back or subscribe to this YouTube channel for updates.
Braille Bytes is brought to you by Braille Literacy Canada and PRCVI. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our next video about using tactile markers with a paper growth chart.